Hello, hello. I just have a fun thing that I've been working on and I had to show you. So we made the cute little template for the little boxes, and I made a really fun little sheet. It comes with it. So it just has different things if you want to store different things in them, or different colored tags or whatever, or some random just cute numbers that you can use on anything, and then some blank ones if you want to just do whatever you want in your little boxes. I made a set of, they're already printed out. So I wanted to use these fun springy papers and just make a cute box set with different tops and different bottoms that you can kind of just mix and match and coordinate and have fun with. So anyway, I just wanted to show you, I've made a bunch of them, and then I made a set of fun cards because I thought, wouldn't these be the cutest little, just to have on hand, cute little gift boxes. Just, you could fit a gift card in there, or you could fit chocolate. So I thought that would just be fun to have a few of those around just for when you need just a little something for somebody. Or anyway, there's just some, just because you're amazing, you make me smile, love you, thank you, just different things like that. And that comes in this same set as well. So anyway, I'm just gonna quickly show how these boxes come together, because when you print them, they look like this. And so this is kind of the template that'll show you what to do. So this is going to be the top lid of a box. I've already cut, scored and folded and inked, and cut where it says to cut on the template. So now I'm just going to quickly show you the folding process, just so you have it right here on video if you need it. And again, you can go online and find a similar kind of template if you want. I know I had one customer that said, I tried to find another good template, but I couldn't find one I liked as well. But they're out there if you want to look for like a little box template and just make it with paper you have, that's fine. Or I have a blank template too in the shop. It's just blank, and then you can put whatever paper you want with it. All right, so I just folded the two long sides and glued them, and they're cut here, and the instructions tell you to do that, so you don't need to think too hard. And then I have these edges overlap. And it's really sturdy because I print them on lightweight cardstock, and then by the time you fold and glued this many layers, it turned out to be a really nice sturdy box. Like, I would be confident stacking several of these with items in it. I mean, not like gold coins or something, but you know, brads or tags or whatever, you'd be totally fine. All right, so I have both of those, and then I'm giving this a nice good glue down, especially on those edges. I'm making a mess of my table, but what else is new? And then, I mean, you can kind of squish that down really good. And the other side. And so that's pretty much the lid. I do have these cute little things. The bigger one goes into the lid. I really did get glue all over my table. That's okay, I will wipe it up. So I'm just making sure to get those corners down. And anyway, there are several different pattern papers for the tops and the bottoms. So you can really just print a bunch and then just mix and match and have fun with them. All right, so there's the lid. Now I'm going to show you how to make the bottom. So this one, when you originally cut it out, it is a rectangle, but you'll notice there's some little rectangles here that are cut out. And it literally says when you print it, it has this blacked out and says cut out. So it's really self-explanatory and easy to remember what you need to do. But it's the exact same process for the bottom. So you're gonna go ahead and take those longer sides and glue that down. I really got glue on my table. Let's come over here a little bit. There we go. And this side as well. I can't believe how long these glue sticks last. I've had that a really good long time, but they are huge. I usually buy the huge one because they're usually a better deal, but I just actually bought a small pack of like 24 because per ounce it ended up being the better deal. So, and I always check that. And I don't mind working with the small ones either. Then I'm folding those, and now you can see why that little extra rectangle had to be cut off, because if it didn't, these would stick past the edge, and that would not work. And I'm just gonna fold and really just give that a good nice bend so you've got a nice crisp corner there. Ooh. And I can't decide for these if I want to turn them all into gift boxes or do some little ephemera storage, because they're so darling. You could just stack them on a little shelf and have little tags in them. I can show you, I have this one, and right now I have it filled with little black and white tags, so it just makes me happy to look in there. So I wouldn't mind having, you know, a bunch of those just filled with fun little goodies. All right, and then this goes down in there. There we go. Now, oh dear, I just left my regular inker. Oh, look what happened to my inker. My dog ate my inker, so I had to order a new one. And it will be here in a few days, but I don't know. For all of you, you probably already know this, but there's something about that wooden handle that dogs just love. And I should know better than to leave it where he can get to it, because he has a thing for that thing. So I'll be candid here. I ordered the 2-pack for the new ones because I figured, you know what, eventually he's gonna get to it. Plus it's kind of nice if you're switching colors of ink to not have to switch out the little pads every time. And I really only use a couple of main colors. But I'm gonna go ahead and ink that lid too. It just kind of adds that finishing touch and gives it that fun vintage kind of pop. And then if you want, you can put your chocolates in there. I have more. Or whatever treat. I was thinking homemade caramels in here would be so fun. That's because I love caramel. All right, so you can put that in there, and then you could pick an, oh, I just wanted to say you're amazing. And I'm definitely gonna ink that as well. Just because it is bright white, which is fun, but I don't want it to be too obviously bright white. You know what I mean. And then I can just glue that right on there. Put a little ribbon if I wanted. And then you just have just this fun little cute box to hand somebody. And I know every day you're finding somebody that could just use a little pick-me-up, but how fun would that be to get that? Anyway, so fun. So if you want to try to add some junk journaling to your gift repertoire, then this is a really fun way to do that. You could even add some fun little layering labels or whatever. And some lace would be cute. I mean, you could just add a few of these extra little things around and just embellish it or whatever, but you could just have fun with it. So anyway, I will post those links down below if you want this with these pattern papers, or you can just use the template and use any papers that you have on hand and want to play with. But it was a really fun and relaxing project to just sit and kind of cut and ink and I don't know. It was a relaxing one to sit and watch and take on the go. So it's another fun project for if you're going to be traveling, to just take something that you can cut out and work on. So anyway, way fun, way easy, and I can't wait to give these to some friends or my kids or whatever, because who doesn't like chocolate? Anyway, I hope you have a fabulous day and you are amazing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.